Hi, my name is Gaurang Govind and I'm the director of cgrbrands.com, which is a business consulting firm. And today I'm going to share you my thoughts regarding the dealership. India is flooded with a lot of dealers for all kinds of products across the board, across the country. Now, as a manufacturer, when you try to move to the dealership, you face a lot of challenges, and especially during the downturn, COVID-19 impact, the economy went down and then it's moving up slowly and slowly. Dealership also becomes very choosy about the kind of companies they want to onboard, and also at the same time they have got limited cash available. Then it becomes extremely difficult for a manufacturing organization to increase the number of dealership points basically. And in this process, they put a lot of their energy in increasing the numbers, but the numbers don't grow. And when the numbers grow, their capital gets stuck up in the form of stocks which they have supplied to these dealerships. So actually, they are working on the investment of yours as a manufacturer. There is always an extension from dealer channel to franchising model and a retail model, and obviously the online e-commerce model. As a manufacturing organization, it is extremely important to work on all different channels and ensure that the sales should continue to come from all the channels all the time. And all these channels, say retail, franchising, online, should be managed separately, but should be well connected through the system so that it can provide best-in-class customer service. We have been talking about customer centricity all the time, and this process of integrating all the channels together and giving best-in-class customer service would make the complete difference in the market for these manufacturers. Demand will continue to grow for the manufacturers when all these channels are managed with a different team. They should have their separate targets, separate performance criteria, and level playing field also should be separate. This will improve the focus on these channels separately to a large extent, and this will help in increasing the top line of the organization. So I would always say those manufacturing organizations who are continuing to focus on dealership model should think of increasing the channel network, channel focus area through retail, through franchising model, and through online. As a manufacturer, these organizations have a mindset of earning the manufacturing margin and then building the market. But this is an old concept. Now the time has come that the manufacturers themselves should ensure that they are present in all the channels and be able to increase the reach of their product across India, across cities, across towns, and increase the top line for the country and increase the top line for the business. With this, I end my video. Thank you very, very much for viewing my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.